For my next video, I'd like to do one on an ozone creator, ozone generator. And it's from the company DKMHA. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And this is a very powerful ozone creator. So do your research on ozone generators. You want to run this in a room that's empty. So here's the plug. It's basic universal end. Here is the generator. Quick user manual guide, whatever. Nothing really that has a whole lot of things to this. It shows you the run guide in minutes, which is a timer, or you have one that says hold, which is constantly on. And it has a, I believe, temperature. And then the setting of how long you're going to put it on. So let's go ahead and plug it in and I'll demonstrate here real quick. Again, the instant you turn this on, you can smell the ozone that it's putting out. So it's a very, very powerful. So yeah, there's the humidity and the temperature. And I mean, it's really powerful. It smells like after a rainy day. So that's the unboxing. Let's go into some tech specs next. And this is, again, the ozone generator from the DKMHA store. It's 10,000 milligrams per hour, high capacity ozone machine, odor removal, home deodorizer, say that 10 times, ozone odor eliminator, suitable for home, pet, and car. Not quite sure how you're going to put that in your car, but that's what they say. It has a timer that goes 7 minutes is 100 square feet, and I'm just going to go up here on it. I'm not going to read them all. 1,000 square feet is 35 minutes. 50 minutes is a 1,500 square foot room. And greater than 2,000 is just put on hold. We have a timer function, sets a timer for up to 120 minutes, or use the hold function. We have a hygrometer. Please try to keep the indoor air dry. The lower the indoor humidity, the stronger the effect of the ozone. And a run mode indicator light. Let's see here. What else? So it generates 10,000 milligrams per hour. The latest design, full metal casting, can be used for many years. Ceramic ozone board. Board is no clean, free replacement, and ceramic board within 5 years, 60-day return and money-back guarantee. The timers automatically can turn off for 120 minutes. Suitable for all places, such as hospitals, farms, basements. They do not recommend setting it for too long. It can start from 10 minutes and increase the setup time if necessary. So that is my video for a ozone generator. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video. And until next time, I'm out.